Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro and I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works. It will be some kind of the speed test, so we can check how fast we can unlock phone with this sensor link with the power key. So don't waste time and just start. Okay, so as you can see, this sensor performs really good. It's short delay, but it's not that bad. You have to remember that this device is very cheap. But that's definitely the good point, that this fingerprint sensor recognizes my fingerprint all time. So what I can say, it works really good. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.